Well, I got in a serrated knife from a local chef, and it needs to be touched up a little bit. And I would use the diamond wheel on the buck tool slow moving machine. However, so I just need a little touch up on these serrations. So this is the diamond bit. You can get it from Jade Carver, or you can get it from Cliff Curry out in Hawaii at Curry Custom Cutlery. And we're just going to touch it up a little bit, and then we're going to use our Scotch-Brite wheel to clean it up a little further. Okay, I sped that video up. However, it only took 1 minute and 21 seconds for me to do all the serrations. And you can see, I don't know if you can see it in that or not, but I've got a nice burr on the back of it. So we're gonna go to our Scotch-Brite wheel and remove that burr. Well, we got too many things on our bench here to move around, but we're gonna use the Scotch-Brite wheel to flip that burr over and buff it up real good. And then we're gonna finish on the leather wheel.